I've not shared my screen, or I've not shown my screen. This is not incredibly smart. Okay. So, let's start off with the Junior Maths Olympiad. We'll do this. I've not seen any of the problems. Wait. What? What? When was it? Okay, anyways. Okay. No more wasting times. Let the live souls begin. We're doing 3 in one stream because I don't want to do 3 streams. I want to do 1. So I am live. Hello, Cynical Zero. Is this Jacob? Hello, Cynical. Thank you for watching this stream. It is incredibly appreciated. Okay, let's start with A1. Or stop sending me things. What is... Oh my god. Okay. Anyways, what is the sum of the first 9 primes? Rip to anyone who doesn't know the primes. And I'm pretty sure this is 17, 28, 41, 58, 77. Does that check out? 77. Okay. Please don't spoil any solutions in the chat, although I'm pretty sure the average IQ of the chat is 0 because there's no one there. How sad. Anyways, 42 cubes of side length 1 are stuck together to form a solid cuboid. So the volume is 42. The base, so 8. They could be 2 and 6. I'm getting so many messages. Could be 2 and 6, it could be 3 and 5, it could be 1 and 7. It is probably 1 and 7, so the height is 6 centimeters. Because the width and the length add up to 8, and they have to be factors of 42, so that 1 and 7 are the only ones. Okay, 49 equals 4 times 9 plus 4 plus 9. Okay, so this is quite standard. AB is 10A plus B equals the AB plus A plus B cancel out the b's. AB equals to 9a, so b equals to 9. So they're basically all the numbers which ended in a 9, and there's 9 of those numbers, so we're gonna put, oh wait, that's A4. We just solved A4. Okay, A4 is 9, because there are 9 two-digit numbers which end in a 9. The difference between an interior angle of a regular polygon and the exterior angle of the same polygon is 150 degrees. How many sides does the polygon have? Well, the interior angle and the exterior angle add up to 150. So the interior is 165, exterior is 15. So it has 24 sides. Is it 24 sides? Yeah. What am I doing? Why am I on A5? I'm supposed to do A3. Okay, PQRS is a square which has been divided into 4 regions. Two identical triangles or rectangles, one square side of area 9 centimeter cubed, and a second area of area 25 centimeter squared. So I guess one of them is in one corner and the other is in the other corner. So 3, 5. So the whole area is 64 centimeter cubed or centimeter squared. I mean, A6 is a very normal graph theory problem. It actually came up in one of our Hungary camp um, problem solving sessions, but it's not hard. So Alice, so the hit tree shook hands with every person. So we draw A, B, C, D, and E. Then okay, C shook hands with everyone apart from A. So like this. Yeah, that checks out. B shook hands with 2 people. So with D and C. So Aaron shook hands with 3 people. No, not 3. 2. So I'm looking 2. The time is 2024. It's less than 24-hour time. What is the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand on an accurate analog clock in degrees? There is a systematic way to do this. So we're doing 8 and 9. 8 is like here. You can't see this. Well, why am I speaking? This angle is 30 degrees between 8 and 9. So 30 times 24 over 60 is 12. So the hour hand is around here. 18 degrees away from horizontal. Now 24 is where is it? It's between 4 and 5. How much is each minute actually? Each minute is 6 degrees. So this is 144 degrees across. 90 and this is 18, 108 here. So from 12, the hour hand is 108 degrees away, and the minute hand is 144 degrees away, which makes it 108. 108 degrees. Checks out. We make a sequence of diagrams. The second diagram is made from the first diagram by drawing two edges of length 1 from that code. 0 to 8. Now there's 24 plus 2, so that's 26. 80. With these new edges having each it's not 80. 0 2 times 1.5, that's 3. 7.5, 9.5, 4.75, 16.25. This is a terrible question. I'm just saying, whoever made this question needs to get fired. What is this? But I think from each diagram, you halve this, times it by 3, and then you add 2. Bro. We'll do A10 because A10 is really easy. 2 2 to the 4n always ends in 6. So yeah. A9, x1 plus y1. You add these two, plus 1 minus 7 over 6, 6, 10 plus 21, 31, 24 over 6 is 4, 5, lock in 5. Okay, let's check the answers for in the first 9 primes. I only counted the first 8. Okay, we've already got one wrong. That's so sad. 6, okay. 64, good. 9, good. 24, 2, 108. 16.25. Okay, so it is 5 and 6. Okay, we got the first question wrong. So, come on. Okay. B1. Okay, so obviously we want the least amount of digits. So the only condition is that it needs to be a multiple of 9. So we need 9 ones, and we need 2 zeros at the end for it to be a multiple of 4. So yeah, 11111111100, or 11,101,000,000. Wait, yeah, 11,101,101,100. Anyways, Natasha and okay, so that's B1 done. Okay, changing this takes longer than solving it, and it takes long because of a funny thing called lag. Okay, Natasha and Rosie are running at constant speeds in opposite directions around the track. Every 42 seconds. So if you take 70 seconds around the lap, so that means that when you're 60% of the way there, Rosie's run 40%. So 42 seconds for Rosie is 40%. 21 is 20%. So 105 seconds for the whole thing. I'm gonna check each one by one actually. Am I right about this? Yes, am I right about this? 105. Okay, that is B2 solved. The reason, okay, so I'll actually go out of my way to explain B2. The point is that because Rosie has run 60% of the way there. Uh, Natasha has run 60% of the way there when she meets Rosie, and Rosie has run therefore Rosie has run the other 40%. So if Rosie spends 42 seconds running 40% of the lap, then she'll spend 105 seconds running the whole of the lap. No two even numbers are adjacent, no two odd numbers are adjacent. No two numbering different differing by one are adjacent. That's quite hard. I hate combis. They're so bad. 1, 2. No, you can't have 1 and 2. 1 and 3, well, 1 has to be next to 2 or 3, so no. 4, okay, 1 has to be next to 2 of the numbers. It's either 4, which, 4, it has to be next to 4, but it has to be either next to 2 or 3, which you can't have. If it's 5, then again 1 is next to 4 and 5. 4 is next to 1. It can't be next to 2. It can't be next to 3, so no, this doesn't work. We can just do this by exhaustion, actually. 1. It can't be. Actually, this can't even be 5. This will have to be 4 and 6. And 4 will have to be next to. Okay, so it can't even be 3. It can't be 2. It can't be 5. It can't be 3. So 1, 4, 6, 7. It can't be next to 5. I think 8 is the one. The point of it being odd even means that it can't. It has to be an odd. It has to be an even number. So yeah, this works. Cool. And you can just do it by checking all of them. 8. 100x plus y is equal to 200y plus 2x. Wait, really? On 199.98. Check. Okay, we've done B3 and B4. I can't even be asked to explain why B4 is B4. Just like use some algebra. They need to make the okay, never mind. A regular octagon ABCDEFGH has side lengths of 1. The lines AC and HF meet the line going. Okay, so okay. Wait. Fine. This is going to be my proof. So ABC is 135 degrees, BCA is therefore 22.5. ACD is 112.5, which makes BCD 67.5, which means it's half of CDE, which is 135, which means that PCD is isosceles by literally angle chasing, because CD equals to PD. Therefore, PD is 1, DE is 1, EQ is 1, so PQ is 3. Okay, GG's. Nah, bro. You have 5 easy OR problems, and this is question 6. We have 5 easy, really easy problems, and then we have question 6. Which, you know. We'll see how easy this is. How long has the stream been? 26 minutes. By the way, you have 2 hours to do this. So, I guess I'm smarter than a 13-year-old. So obviously we consider this mod 3. Although I don't know how in Christ's loving name we expect people to know what mod 3 is. Okay, so if n is 0 mod 3, then in terms of 1 to 2n, there is 2n over 3 mod 3s, or 0 mod 3s. So there's an equal amount of each. So you can just pair the 1s and 2s together and pair the 0 mod 3s together. Now, if n is a multiple of 3, this obviously works. Well, it's not obvious, but it works. It works. Just trust. If n is 1 mod 3, then something weird happens. I actually don't know. I'm just saying words. 2n is 4 mod 6. Wait. 4 mod 6. Yeah, 4 mod 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. How does that work? Well, I don't think that works because there's an odd number of multiples of 3. Okay. And if n is 2 mod 3, then 2n is 2 mod 6. And that works because it's like 0 mod 6, but apart from the fact that you have 2 leftover numbers, and then you form them to have it's a multiple of 3. So n is 0 or 2 mod 3. What? 1 more than a multiple of 3? What? Am I dumb? Oh yeah, I am dumb, because if n is 1 mod 3, then 2n is 2 mod 6. Haha. Okay. Fine. Let me just rephrase this. If n is 0 mod 3, then you can split them up, because there's an even amount of multiples of 3 and equal amounts of 1 mod 3 and 2 mod 3. If n is 1 mod 3, then 2n is 2 mod 6, which is the same as 0 mod 6, apart from the fact that you have 2 numbers left over, and you can add them together to make a multiple of 3. If n is 2 mod 3, then 2n is 4 mod 6, and there's an odd number of multiples of 3, which means you can't pair them all together. Okay. With that being said, we do the cayley. I've been told by sources that this is quite brutal. What? No, I don't wanna. Oh, okay. This is. Wait. Wait. I'm not doing Hamilton because I did it. They stole the. They stole the damn questions. Okay. Fine. cayley. cayley won. We are 32 minutes in. Alright. Question 1. Right angle B, angle is alpha, x AC, so that AX equals to AB. UI. Oh my god. Oh, hell no. What the hell? Okay, so ABX is 90 minus A over 2. Angle C is 90 minus A. Angle CBY is therefore 45 plus A over 2. Angle YBA is 45 minus A over 2. And so XBY is 45. Let's see. Okay. I was told this is quite brutal. Hello, Noah. Hello there. I was told this is quite brutal, but clearly not. Question 2. The Intermediate Maths Challenge has 25 questions with the following scoring rules. Bro. Okay. The number of questions Fiona answered correctly. So, what? What is going on? Potentially, how, okay, what's the minimum amount of marks? 14 is the minimum. Yeah, you can't get below 14. 14, you do 10 of the 6, 5 or 4 of the 5, you get 80 marks. Now, 15, you do 9 of the 6, 54. Wait, does the math check out? Okay, fine. do 15. You can do all 15 of the first 15 questions. You do one, that puts you on 75. You do one of them, and you like lose 1 mark on one of them. So you can do 15. What about 16? You can do 14 times 5, 2 times 6, so 70, 82, and then let's say you lose a mark here. 17, I'm pretty sure you can just do 13 of the first 15, get 3 of the last 10 right, lose a mark on the -2, and lose a mark, something on the -1. And that gets you to 80 marks. 18, again, I'm pretty sure 12 times 5, 4 times 6, -2 times 2. 19, 50, 11 times 5, 5 times 6, -2 times 2, and also -1 times 1. Okay, so you could have got 9. Wait, it's asking for how many you got right. Oh, never mind. Oh, I'm so. Okay. How do you get 15 questions right? 54. Can't. 54, 84. Okay, what if we do. No. 48. No, send me the question on Discord. Send me the question on Discord. I'll try it on stream. Yeah, this question. Okay, this is kind of brutal. I'm already hating this question. I'm already hating this question a lot. Oh, no. Okay, 5 times 6, 10 times 5. Yes, you do 5 of the 6 markers, 10 of the 5 markers. What about this? You do. Wait. 15 of the 5 markers, 1 of the 6 markers. You get something wrong. Is this on what? Oh, man. They. Alright. Let Px and Qx be pollen. Shit. What the heck, bro? So P1 over Q1 is an integer. No way. Bro, I can't lie. I was on a mods group chat, like literally an hour ago. We are already back to the grind. It's a T5. I don't want to look at the hints. Okay. (2010s) Chinese Maths Olympiad. Wait, is it Chinese? Oh, CMO's Canadian. I'm so dumb. I thought it was Chinese. It's Canadian. Anyways. That's such a cringe question. Okay. Let me just pull up this question. Bruh. Noah, how's the mods grind? Okay, I'll just... Okay, anyways. Pn over Qn is an integer for every integer n. Okay, time to do proper maths. What about... And the same goes for P2. Okay, this stream is gonna last like an hour longer because of you, Noah. Okay, but like... 4. What's the... Well, is it true that P of Kn is a multiple of P of N? I'm not sure. I am not sure. Actually, what am I yapping about? Okay, but so the thing about polynomials is that the single most important thing is that px minus p of y is divisible by x minus y. Okay, let's start off with p3. Why is p3? Should I be a pussy and look at the hints? Oh no, bro. I looked at the first hint and I already don't want to do this problem. I already don't want to do this problem. Oh, okay. Does it necessarily have to have... Well, I mean, if it... So, I guess how this is going to pan out is that if you divide this, then the polynomial you're going to get, the remainder of the polynomial, um, is the remainder you get is 0, and because the remainder is the polynomial, and it does have and let's say it's not zero, it's not constantly zero. Let's say the polynomial has order greater than zero. Well, then it is zero at infinitely many points, which means that it has to be a polynomial with order zero. If that kind of makes sense. Let me look at the hints to see if I'm right. Okay, there's even a solution. Wow. Um. Okay, this is kind of yap. Anyways, we were stuck in question 2. Um. I might need to rethink like my solution because my solution was kind of yap. I mean, I guess it's that when you the remainder, it's that it's zero. I don't know. It's really weird. D5s are just weird. What can I say? Actually, I can go on mods and see what people thought of the problem. Oh, bro's using the bot spam channel. Uh, people think this is D4. Oh, that's a big range. Okay. I don't know. Anyways, I don't want this stream to take like 5 hours. So, yeah. What is our conclusions for problem 2? Well, the 17, um, 75, and we can have 15 times 5, 2 times 6. What does that put us on? 87. Do minus 1 and minus 2 3 times. So we can do 17 is definitely possible if we just minus the marks. 18. To what point is this possible? 93. Yeah, no, it's not possible. Okay, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yeah. Yeah. It is divisible by 39 times the sum of its digits. If it's a 4-digit number, well, 1989, then A is 1. Who made these stupid questions? My God. I don't think it's I don't think it can be 2-digit. We'll focus on 3-digit now. In this first case, what? What? Such a bad question. Who decided that this was a good question to put in cayley? Honestly, you just try each one, right, until they work. Because they're -1. What the hell? Or no, what is this question? What is this question, Noah? Damn. Infinite series. Chat, is there actually any good ways to solve this question? Or is it just a bad question? 156? No. No. What's 39 times 6? 234? No. 39 273. No. This is just so stupid. No. Of course. Okay, fine. Whatever. Bruh. When written in ascending order, the 9 internal angles. No. Bruh. What is going on? Equals 2. So, if the smallest angle is A, and then each one goes up by D, then we add them all together. 9A plus 36D is 540. A plus 4D is 60. Okay, so the middle angle is 60. One of the angles is 42. So the 18 apart. We can split this into 3 or into 2 or into 1. So it could be 6, 24, 42, 60. No, it can't even be that. Okay, so we have this. What if we split it into. What if D is 9? So 51, 42, 33, 24, 69, 78, 87, 96, 105. What can we. What makes 75 here? These 2 make 75. What is 96 and 87? No, that 96 84. Can you even make 84? I doubt it. I doubt it. Bro. So brain dead. 24, 60, 96. 87. So it could be 96 is the highest. What else? So 96 is the highest, or you can have these, wait. $78. So we need 102. What is this? What is this? 15. 148. 1, no, 0, 4, 8. Out of 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 42, 66, 72. Okay, fine. It can be 84. It can be 84. Wait, they never said it had to be integers. Oh no. Oh no. They never specified they had to be integers. Bro, that sucks so much. The highest could be 78. If we split it into 3, yeah, it could be 78, 84, 96. Lock it in, lock it in. Yeah. Oh, this is so tiring. This is so tiring. We are on 5. This is actually such a draining cayley. I really despise this cayley. Question 6 looks completely horrible, by the way. Okay, so we do some simple algebra. 2x plus 6y plus 10z equals to 5x plus 5y plus 5z. 2x plus 30y plus 90z equals to 7x plus 7y plus 7z. Y equals to 3x minus 5z. Well, and if we substitute this in, the 92x minus 60z equals to 28x minus 28z. This seems wrong. $64x Am I a clown? Two x equals to z. Oh my god, I am a clown. The number of people in the group is, okay, so 14x, 42y, and 70z. Which means now when we make this substitution, we get 92x minus 60z equals to 140x minus, what is 42 times 5? 210? What is it? Okay, so 48x equals to 80z, 3x equals to 5z, so y equals to 0. Okay, that's... Are you just doing homework? No. Are you just doing homework? No. No, I'm not. I'm doing maths. And maths isn't necessarily homework. Although this is so boring that it may as well be homework, because it's so monotonous. The Hamilton wave was so much better. I'm just saying. Like, it's not turning every single question into algebra. Hello, Sood. For fun? Well, I thought it would be fun, but this is kind of boring. I can't lie. Hello, Sood. How is Domum? The goal is to do JMO, cayley, and maclaurin, and currently we've done JMO, and we're nearly at the end of cayley. Okay, into each row of a 9, but just to do it. What's the goal from doing this? The goal is to do it. Yes. The goal is to solve it. Decent. Okay. I mean, Jeff sent me some photos. I can't lie. So, yeah. Into each row. Have I updated this? Yeah. Into each row of a 9 by 9 grid, Nigel writes the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in order, starting at one of the digits and returning to 1 after 9. For example, one row might contain. Oh my god. If each 9-digit number read Each 9-digit number read along along a row or column. Each 9-digit number read along a row or column or along. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, well, how many 9-digit numbers are there? There's there's the grid where each of these are the same. So there's 9 of those grids where each row is the same. Now, if you like go one back or one forward, I think there's 18. I have no idea, bro. I have no idea. I have no idea.